Hello friends, myself Professor R.H. Adekar. I am teaching subject Artificial Intelligence for the class 3rd year Computer Engineering. I am working as an assistant professor and head of Computer Science and Engineering Department in Sri Tulja Bhavani College of Engineering, Tuljapur. This is our admission scheme uh, for the academic year 2020-21 for first year students as well as for second year students. This is classification of informed search. We studied Grady based first search in last lectures. Now we'll see A star search minimizing the total estimated solution cost. Here the most widely known form of best first search is what? A star. It evaluates nodes by combining G of n, that is the cost to reach the node, and H of n, the cost to get from node to the goal. And it is given as f of n is given as G of n plus H of n, where G of n is what? G of n the cost to reach to the node, and H of n the cost to get from node to the goal. Since G of n gives the path cost from start node to node n, and H of n is the estimated cost of the cheapest path from n to goal, and f of n is the estimated cost of the cheapest solution through this node. If we are trying to find the cheapest solution, a reasonable thing to try first is the node with the lowest value of G of n plus H of n, and A star search is both complete as well as optimal, and this algorithm is identical to uniform cost search except that A star uses G plus H instead of G. Here the condition for optimality. The first condition we require for optimality is that H of n be an admissible heuristic. An admissible heuristic is one that never overestimates the cost to reach the goal, because G of n is the actual cost to reach n along the current path, and f of n equal to G of n plus H of n, we have as an immediate consequence that f of n never overestimate the true cost of a solution along the current path through n. Admissible heuristics are by nature optimistic because they think the cost of solving the problem is less than it actually is. An obvious example of admissible heuristic is the straight line distance h of SLD that we used in getting to Bucharest. In last lecture we have seen the table of all the cities from this all cities to Bucharest. An obvious example, okay, straight line distance is admissible because the shortest path between any two points is a straight line, so the straight line cannot be an overestimate. Let us see the figure. This is given how to starts from the Arad and how to reach to the Bucharest. Here we show the progress of A star tree search for Bucharest. Here we notice that in the Bucharest first appears on the frontier at step E. At the step E, here Bucharest appears at the frontier, but it is not selected for expansion because its F cost is 450, that is higher than that of Pitești, and the cost through Pitești is what? 417. Another way to say this is that there might be a solution through Pitești whose cost is as low as 417. So the algorithm will not settle for a solution that cost 450. A second slightly stronger condition called consistency is required only for application of A star to graph search. Let us see here. In this case, see, this is Arad, starting node is Arad and the goal node is Bucharest. This Bucharest. Then this is first this root node Arad having the three ways Sibiu, Timisoara and Zerend. All these values are nothing but the straight line distance from Arad to that city. From Arad to Sibiu the distance is what? Straight line distance 393 and Timisoara 447 and Zerend 449. Then from Arad we have to expand Sibiu, okay. Then Arad to Sibiu, then Sibiu to Remeku Valsia we expand. If we try to expand from Sibiu to Fagares, okay, and then from Fagares to Bucharest, the distance is what? 450. Arad, Sibiu, Fagares and Bucharest. The total straight line distance is 450 kilometers. But this is not the shortest distance. Then the solution is what? We have to move from Arad to Sibiu, then Remeku Valsia, then from Remeku Valsia to Pitești, and then from Pitești to Bucharest. Means the solution, correct solution is from Arad to Sibiu, Remeku Valsia, Pitești and Bucharest. Means we can move from Arad to Bucharest with the shortest distance of 418. This is what A star search for Bucharest from Arad. Then a heuristic HRPN is consistent if for every node n and every successor n dash of n generated by any action A, the estimated cost of reaching the goal from n is no greater than the step cost of getting to n dash plus the estimated cost of reaching the goal from n dash, and this function is given as HRPN less than equal to C function of n A n dash plus h of n dash. This is roadmap of every city to Bucharest. This is what the A star search tree. Then this is optimality of A star is given by this map of Romania, and here this A star property is what? The tree search version of A star is optimal if h of n is admissible, while the graph search version is optimal if h of n is consistent. Thank you.